Hey guys, this is Kikyo. In this video, I want to show you guys unboxing BrandyMelville try on haul. I just dyed my new hair color. So, new Kikyo is talking to you. Happy New Year! So first, I want to show you how much clothes I got from BrandyMelville. A mountain of BrandyMelville clothes. So if you are interested in this video, please keep watching. The first thing I got is this little dark brown tank. BrandyMelville, they don't have that much this kind of design. I really want to try brown color. I feel like brown later of 2020 is really popular. So I just kind of want to try this color. Really easy to match with the jeans or little skirt. And I like this material. This is really thick. It's gonna be warm for winter. Hot girls doesn't feel coldness in winter. So I'm gonna wear a tank in winter too. The next thing, we have this sky blue gray. I don't know if you can see the color pretty well because the sun is gonna disappear, so the light is pretty weird right now. So this is the light blue and a little bit gray color tank. The white color and the sky blue and pink, they're always the best match. The next thing, USA little tank. I'm gonna open this. It's like this. Wow, this is so soft. I don't know why, I feel like this material is more soft and it just looks like this. The next thing, I have little t-shirt match with anything. It's always good to have a lot of basic tees. The next thing, so I saw it on website, I thought it was black, so that's why I got it, but turns out it's navy, but still so cute. I don't have any navy tank, so this is gonna be my first one. So the next thing, we have another navy little t-shirt. I feel like I will also wear it in winter though, like inside and outside, just a jacket or coat. So this is so cute. I love the design. Look, this is so cute. Okay, this is also really soft and light. The next thing, we have black basic tee. I'm pretty sure you will look so skinny with this on. And the next thing, we have this sport shorts. I feel like I always need it. And this is also navy. Their sport short is a little bit heavier than, yeah, you can wear it in winter. This is pretty warm. We have a little skirt. Check
how cute it is!
I don't know if you guys have seen Burberry classic skirts. They're exactly like this design. Got it. I love it. They also have other colors, and this is also a little bit 2KY. Yeah, 2KY style. Then we have BrandyMelville jeans. BrandyMelville jeans are so heavy and they're just like good quality. I'll just put the picture here and try them on later, but this is like mom jeans. Very cool. Next thing is this. I'm a little bit disappointed because when I first found it on the website, I thought it was khaki color, but it actually, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's actually brown. Like, it's pretty dark and a little bit green, and in camera it just seems really khaki. So yeah, I got this sweatpants. We're gonna open this box. In this box, we have a lot of jewelry. Here we go. Wow! It's always so happy to open BrandyMelville clothes. The first thing we have is this. Oh, they have a tag here, which is kind of weird. Not bad, but I personally don't wear a hat that much, but I have a lot of hats. So it just looks like this. If you have a big head, don't get it. I also have a big head, so I feel like it's really tight for me. Hat! I'm so excited. Shanghai hat! This is cute. This is actually cute. I don't wear hat that much. I love it. Look how cute it is. Oh, little coin bag. My hair is like a mess. A little coin bag. So do you guys know how long I waited for this package? Like, I'm so excited. I put a lot of stuff inside. And I love this color. That's the coin bag. And then we have some jewelries. key holder.
Tokyo!
Can you guys see it? It says Kikyo. So cute. I had the silver heart necklace. Looks like this. I got a lot of hoop earrings. So this silver mini hoop earring, and this is also silver, but this is a little bit big, and this is also mini golden, and this is golden, a little bit bigger, and this is a little bit thicker silver butterflies, and this, my favorite, heart. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'm gonna post another unboxing try on haul really soon because I just got a lot of shopping recently for New Year and I got a lot of new clothes. I really hope you guys can give me a like and comment me any suggestions you have for my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys next week. Bye.